Hello friends, welcome back. My name is PK. In this video, you will learn how to use infographics in a Power BI dashboard. So friends, as you are seeing my screen, I have created this beautiful page in Power BI and I have used here few infographics to show the information. For example, to show the quality score, I have used this laptop infographics and it is showing the value of the quality score is 67.36. It is filled 67.36%. Similarly, the value of the sales conversion is 34.97. So it is filled only 37.97, and here the value of the service level is 45.48, so it is filled 45.48. So this will be filled according to the current value of your KPIs. Then here we have used this building infographic wherein we are showing the sales by the supervisor name. These are the different supervisors and it is showing the sales of a particular supervisor. And here we have used this pictographics also to show the calls by the employee name. These are the different employees, and here we have used this man's icon to show the calls. Okay. Now I will explain you how can you use these infographics and few other infographics also in the Power BI. So please watch this video till the end. So let's start without delay. So I'm going to Power BI desktop. First of all, I would like to show you the data which I have used to create this. So this is the sample data available in the Excel. You can see here we have employee name, supervisor, location, calls and sales. Then we have few KPIs data like service level percentage, sales conversion and quality score. Okay, this is some sample data points. Now here what I have done, I have added a new custom visual. So this is the custom visual which I have used. The name of this custom visual is Infographic Designer 1.8.9. Now I will tell you how can you add this in your Power BI desktop. First of all, you need to sign in your Power BI desktop. Make sure you have signed in with some user ID. So I have used my own Power BI account here. Now what I have done, I have just clicked on this ellipsis. So it is showing get more visuals. Then just click on get more visuals. Now it will open this Power BI visuals window, and here you can see this infographic designer is available. If it is not available here, you can search from the search button and just search in the all and just search here infographics. Just click on search button. So it is available on the top. So if you will type infographic, then you will see on the top. You just need to click on add. As soon as you will click on the add, it will be added to your Power BI visualization panel. I have already clicked on add, so I will not click again. Okay. Now once you have added this, then I will explain you how can you create these beautiful charts using this single visual. So let me add a new page and I will explain you step by step. First, I will explain you how can you create this beautiful card, and in that card you can show the value as well as you can show some shape or image with the filled information. Like we have filled it 67% here, and dynamically this fill value will be changed. So let me go to the page 1 and here let me add this visual. Let's go to the field pane. First of all, we'll go to the KPIs. So this is the KPI table and this is the sales table. Now in the KPI, I will add, let's say, quality score in the measure. As soon as I will add quality score, automatically it will show the value of that quality score here. Now I will tell you how can you show this shape, like we have displayed the laptop shape, but if you want to add some other shape, you can show that one also. So what I will do, let me put it on focus mode so that it can be visible properly. Okay, now it is in the focus mode. Now here we have this edit icon. Just click on this and now this Mark Designer window will be popped up, and here we have only text. So what I will do, I'll add one shape here. So you can just click on insert shape. Now in the insert shape, we have a range of shapes here. You can choose from basic or viz and tag from here, or you can choose from the food and drink, household, then nature, then people, and then transport, or even you can upload a shape here. Okay, so let's take any shape. So here I have taken this laptop shape, this one, but if you want to take any other, you can take it. So let me take this laptop shape here. As soon as I will add, it will look like this. We can do the further formatting here. For example, if I want to show the multiple units, but here we want to show only one unit, we will not allow the multiple unit, but we can use the fill percentage. So here we can select quality score. We want to fill it as quality score, and we have to put here the max value. So max value, we know the quality score can be maximum 100%. So I put here 1, which means the 100%. So here you can see it is filled 67.36%. Rest is in gray color. You can change the colors also. Value color should be on. So just on this. It is taking default this color, but you can change the color as per your requirement. You can put the hash code of the color here. So let's say here I am selecting this dark blue color, this one. Okay. Now non-value color I am taking, let's say some light blue color, this one. Okay. You can on the keep ratio so that will not stretch shape. Fill direction is auto, but you can change the direction. It should be left to right, right to left, top to bottom, or bottom to top, whatever you want. So let's keep it auto. Now let's click on back, and here you can see. Now you can do the further formatting. For example, you can take the border. Let's take the title first, and title it is showing quality score. You can change it, this text as per your requirement. I'm keeping it as it is. Let's take the alignment as center. You can take some background color. So let's say I'm taking here this blue, and font color I'm taking this white. Okay. Now you can on the border, you can change the border color. Let's say this dark blue. You can put some radius also. Let's say 5 point. And if you want to allow the shadow, you can allow the shadow also. So you can create the beautiful cards to show the information using this infographics. Now quickly I will show you how can you create these charts, this sales by supervisor, using some other infographics and this employee name also. So quickly I'll show you these one also. So let's add again this infographics designer, new chart. So let's create this here. Let's take the sales from here. So I want to show the sales. So I'll take the sales in major. Automatically it will take the sum of sale, and here you can see it is creating as a card. But as soon as I will add this supervisor name in the category, then it will create this column chart. So now it is not a card, it is a column chart. Alright, now here in place of these simple columns, we can show some infographics. So what I will do, first I want to remove these grid lines from here. If you want, you can keep it. And from here you can change your chart also. For example, you want to convert this chart into bar, so it will look like this. You want to convert this into line, it will look like this. So let's keep it column. Just scroll it down and we will remove the grid lines from here. So grid line off. Okay. Now just put it in the focus mode so that it will be visible properly. Now click on edit mark, and here we will add a shape. So just insert shape, and in the shape we will insert, let's say this building shape, this one I have taken. You can take the same shape here. Now you can see we have two shapes. Shape 2 we just have added, shape 01, this one. So for this particular, so just select this shape and just click on delete element. Now that is deleted. The only shape 2 is there. You can see it is available on the chart also. You can keep the chart as it is also, but if you want to show the multiple unit, you can allow the multiple unit also. And then unit per row, we want to change it. So let's keep it 5. So here you can see it is looking like this. And if you want to use the fill percentage, we can use the sales here so that it will take the proper value, or for the extra part it will show in the gray. Now what we can do, we can use the value color also. And here let's say I want to use some color, let's say this dark blue, or if you want to take any color you can take that. And for the non-value color I have make it transparent. So just select this one, transparent, click on OK. So that will not be visible. Alright. Now I will add a text here. I want to show the data label. So what I will do, I'll add the text, insert text. And here now you can see this text is visible. Data binding off, just click on this, and data binding field, just select here sales. Decimal place you can take, let's say 0. Apply and back. So here you can see we have the data label values, but few other values are not properly visible. These are visible, other is not visible. So what we can do, we can go to the layout and here bound to outer in place of inner. So here you can see few values are visible, few are not still visible. So what we can do, we can change this top side, basically it is 0%, let's keep it -5%. So it will be moved to top side little more. Just click on OK. So now the values are proper visible, or you can keep it, let's say 10%, -10%. Okay, now values are visible. Now come back to the format and scroll it down. You can change the font size, let's keep it 20 so that it will be visible, and font weight you can keep bolder, and for the horizontal alignment keep it center. Alright, now just close this, click on back. So here you can see sales amount is properly visible. Similarly we can create this pictographics also. So let's quickly create this chart also. Just click on infographic designer, make it slightly bigger, and let's take the employee wise call. So move the employee name here in the category and calls in major. Now go to the format, chart, take the type as bar in place of column. You can remove the grid lines if you want. So let's remove the grid lines from here. Now just click on the focus mode so that it will be properly visible, and click on edit mark. And this time we will delete this save first and add new save, and let's take people, or you can take any save. So I have taken this one, and from here first allow the multiple units, and let's keep it as it is. You can take the fill percentage as call, so few will not be visible. Let's change the value color, and then here for the non-value color you can take transparent. You can change the value color also if you want to change, and just close this. So it will look like this. Alright, it will adjust the numbers automatically. If you will put it on the focus mode, it will show more infographics, and it will change the size accordingly. It will change the infographic size also. Alright friends, that's how you can use this infographics in the Power BI. Using this visual you can improve the beauty of your dashboard. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Friends, if you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe my channel to get the regular update of my videos. Thank you so much for watching.